Afternoon, folks. Grandpa Greenlaw, old man with a pen. Well, we're coming right back at you today with some more gem pans. We have a couple of gem pans. That's a 12 banger. This is a 9 banger there. Also, we're going to use the same ones we used last night. It was actually last night we made the meatloaves in the small gem pan. So, okay, we're going to come right back. Well, what are we making? We're going to make some shortbread cookies. Some shortbread cookies. We're going to mix these things up and press them down into the gem pan. Bake them at 350 for about 20 minutes or so, and we're gonna pull a little shortbread out of the pan. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll move things around a little bit. We'll get started and make some future. So I'm making a double batch. So I have 20 tablespoons of butter. It's 2.5 sticks of butter. So we're gonna go ahead and cream this butter up. So we have room temperature butter. We're just creaming it up a little bit. Put the rest of the ingredients for the double recipe. I have 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. I have a teaspoon of vanilla. And I'll put a little extra vanilla. Oh, got a little extra naturally. And dribble over there. And I'm going to do, we're doing 1 cup of powdered sugar. Let's see if we get that out. I didn't measure that out, but that's cool. We got 1 cup of powdered sugar. So this, I like to kind of smooth it in there or cut it in there before I turn the mixer on, in hopes of maybe avoiding the giant cloud that we get with it. All right, at this point, we're looking like we have, and that's actually what that is. It's just frosting. We got vanilla, powdered sugar, and butter. It's just a frosting base there. So we're going to start cutting some flour into there slowly again. Look at that. All right, we'll try this and we'll put the mixer wet. I know I could just throw this little bit away. It's not more than a tablespoon, but it's just not in me. I just don't have it in me. I'll put the rest of the flour in. I believe we're done with that mixer now. Oh, we might need a little bit more flour here, but we'll just keep working that little bit in there. That's what we need, a little work it in there. All right. Now that's a double batch. It looks like a small amount here. Okay, we're in pretty good shape. This dough was nice. Really nice. Cookie dough. Well, let's get us a pan. Where's our pan? That's good. I'm going ungreased pans, and what we do, we're just gonna just form it up just like we did the meatloaves. You know, I don't want to use a pun here, but you're kind of putting a little bit of your heart into this. into this bacon. Look at those beautiful flowers. All right, let me work on these. I'll jump back in. All righty, our double recipe didn't double much of anything. We ended up with 9 hearts and 4 little gem biscuits. So anyway, the last step, I have the oven preheated for 350 degrees. The last step is we're gonna go through and we're gonna poke some with a fork, and we're gonna fork them. These don't take long in the oven. There's not a whole lot to them. Butter and sugar is gonna melt together, and a little bit of flour will cook, and there you go. In the oven for about 20 minutes, and we'll jump back in here and show you what we got. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Can't wait to get a half of one in my tummy. That's a lot of butter. All righty, we got the cookies out. Let's see if we can pop them out of there. Look at that. Just with the edge, it popped it out. Just nice little wafers here. Well, I like it when a plan comes together. Yay. Look at that. Let's take a look at it. Nice golden brown on the bottom. Yeah, let's get the rest of these out if I can. Should just pop right out. Yep. A little bit more cautious. Yeah. Get a pretty little heart. Again in that pan. They're coming out like they normally do. They just kind of just pop right out. Ah. There you go. Got them all out. One broke. Let's see what that looks like inside. For some reason that doesn't look pressed, but it looks good. Holy moly.